Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random MAC address of your Motorola Edge 70. Okay, but first we need to type our IMEI number right in here in that window. To check your IMEI, open up your phone app, open up the keypad and type asterisk hashtag 06 hashtag, and in here we have our IMEI number. Simply type it and click on check. Now scroll down until you find the basic checks and click on MAC address generator. Now in here you need to type your true MAC address. To check it, open up the settings, scroll down, find about phone, open device identifiers, and we have our device Wi-Fi MAC address right in here. Simply type those numbers in this text bar and click on generate random MAC address. Scroll down, and in here you have 10 random MAC addresses that you can copy. You can also copy all of them at the same time using this button, copy all MACs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.